Hello everyone and welcome. Today we will be making some spaghetti and garlic bread. So you're going to take your ground turkey and your chicken sausage and we're just going to cook that up and make your pasta as directed on the package. We're going to season our meats with garlic and herb, garlic powder, some all-purpose season, some dry basil, some Sazon with no MSG, and some black pepper. We'll be using some chopped garlic, chopped green peppers, chopped onions, and some mushrooms. Let's get started by sauteing our garlic for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to add the ground turkey. Add the sausage. Just brown your meat up. Now we're going to add our seasonings. Just add all your seasons. Add the vegetables. You want to fry it down until it gets done to add the sauce. Use whatever sauce you like. Now we're going to add the sauce. Just stir while it's going in and let it cook up. You have to cook it up. We didn't have to drain that turkey or the sausage because it doesn't make any grease at all. That meat doesn't make any grease. I had to add oil to make it grease. So it's a good choice to use ground turkey if you can. Substitute. And chicken sausage. Remember, health is wealth and we must take care of ourselves. Our body is a temple. We only get one. Now, while this sauce is cooking up, we're going to work on our bread, drain our noodles, and put it on low, and that's a go. For the garlic bread, we're going to make a spread. Take a stick of butter, put it in the blender, the top of the parsley, garlic, some olive oil, you want to blend it and make a nice garlic spread. Cut the bread in half and put it on a sheet lined with foil. Then we're going to put our spread on. Preheat your oven to 350. Make sure it's nice and hot. We're going to top it off with some cheese. You can eat yours like this if you want. It's great like this if you're lactose intolerant. I'm going to put some mozzarella cheese on it. Now you want to top it off with the cheese. We're going to put it in the oven. Now you want to add your pasta. It's nice and hot. Get it all saucy. Just got a little bit more. Mix everything together. Smells so good. I used the 45-ounce jar of sauce and 1 box of spaghetti. The turmeric spaghetti tastes just like regular spaghetti. You won't even know the difference. So I'm about to plate it and check on the bread. Just put it all on top. Sprinkle a little bit on top. some chopped parsley, and we're going to put it back in the oven.